everyone, I'm Kashmira Karsekar from Relative Prep. I welcome you all to my brand new show, Crafting Couch with Relative Prep. So today I'm honored to invite a sixth guest who is into miniature gift or theme boxes who makes it amazingly. Her scrapbooks are also amazing. Her finishing is superb. So she's Yamini from We Craft 16. So let's have a conversation with her and know her more better.
So, hello Yamini, welcome to my brand new show, Crafting Couch with Relty Frap. So, Yamini, tell us something about yourself, like a short introduction, so that our fellow crafters will know you more better.
Right. So, hi Kashmira, myself Yamini here, and I own a page called WeCraft. So this is how I started my journey about 1.5 years back. Okay, in crafting community. I'm not a full-time crafter. I also work for an IT company. So this is like my passion, handling both things at our time. Yeah.
Oh, wow. You have handled it awesomely, like superb.
Oh, thank
Okay,
you so much.
okay, so let's begin with the Q&A session now. Like, I'll be asking you some questions and you have to answer them to us. Okay. So, how do you manage your page? Like, your page is so beautiful, like superb. Like, so how do you manage it all? Like, you said you are being an IT profession, work, craft. How is that? Like, how are you managing?
Okay. So, okay, when I first talk about my page, okay, so I really make sure the things are very nice and neat in place because that is where you connect to lots of people, hundreds, thousands of people,
Yes,
maybe lakhs in future, right?
yes,
So
yes,
that very first glance itself, people will come to know that this is your brand. Okay, this is how it looks like. This is your product. So I'm not a
exactly.
very professional and make sure whatever I craft, the things should be presented in a very good manner. Okay, I try to maintain that vibe in the feed.
Yes,
So that is all my feed. Okay, and one special thing to mention is for each and every product that I craft, I give it a name. Okay, so some kind of name. Okay, it could be something like suppose if it is a cafe, so I just name it as a cafe fairy tale and write some kind of two to three lines of poetry
wow,
so that people will. So this is how I actually maintain the feed. And
it's
when
wonderful.
it comes to managing both craft and work, I really feel complete with both of these because craft work is something that I have learned from my childhood. Okay, I'm very passionate about coding. Okay, I'm passionate about doing all such things. So that is my office arts, and crafting is something that I can't leave. Okay, that is like within the blood. Okay, I wanted to do this or do that. I make sure in time. So yeah, I manage both things.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. As I am also doing IT, I am really just like कि कैसे करूँ ये सब कुछ can't manage everything. So difficult sometimes. So yeah, nice,
Yeah, it
super.
is very yeah.
Okay.
Maybe
So
we are on the same page. Yeah, we'll get
yeah,
to know how
well,
things are
exactly, exactly, yes. So on 4th, you turned 1 year complete, like on 4th April. So congratulations, first of all, for that. And how was your journey, like 1 year journey? And also, like you had wrote some words of wisdom. So what do you want to say about it? Like, what's your point about it?
Okay, so yeah, when I first started this WeCraft, believe me, I hardly know nothing. I really do not know how to interact with customers. I do not even know how do I sell my products, how do I price them, basically. Okay, I've never done
Yes,
before.
right.
Yeah, so and I really feel very glad to be part of crafting community because the crafters here, they are not competitive. They try to help others. Okay, they try to. I've learned lot many things in this 1 year span. Is what I'm trying to tell. I really remember one person named Maheen. Okay, she was a co-crafter. She helped me out, telling things like this is how you have to price. This is the courier services that you can reach out to. So
Okay,
that is
wow.
how I learned many things in this 1 year. And there were many customers who were trying to write me reviews. Okay, they come back saying that this is good, that is good, and this okay. I those kind of things really make you grow. Okay, you will
Yes,
get encouraged. So I was really overwhelmed when I turned one. I never even thought that would carry till 1 year. Okay, and
yes.
happy about it.
Wow, wonderful. Superb, yeah. Okay, so recently you have done this trend has come out like Don't Rush Challenge. So you have also participated in that. So how was your experience like?
Oh, that was, to be frank, that was a super fun challenge because in that quarantine, that was a much needed thing. Okay, so
Yes, yes, actually.
that was a good fun activity. And there were about 10 people, I guess, we have participated in that Don't Rush challenge. And we were planning out things in the beginning that you have to catch scissors and you have to hold the
Yes.
paper. That's how we were planning things, and that really went very well.
Oh wow, okay. So you're making wonderful scrapbooks, the box, explosion box, mixed media, and how did you started doing it? Like when did you learn all these things? How did you learn about it? And
Okay. When I the very first scrapbook, it wasn't like a scrapbook. Okay, so when I was in my schooling, I had this habit of we get those record books where we write some kind of
yes, yes,
experiments and stuff. So that was a record book. I put it aside, okay, and I used to paste my pictures, whatever the tiny things that I cherish, okay, kind of pendants, kind of flowers. I used to paste inside and write some kind of thing, okay, just like a journal.
mhm, yes,
Remember, it was in my class. From then I was very much passionate about doing all these things, not just scrapbooks, mixed media. I
yeah,
used to organize nuts. Okay, in my engineering as well, there were a few things that I used to rob from my labs and all. The screws, the wires. I used to get those
yes,
things, make the craft activity, and that's how I have, I was into all these things. And yeah, about the mixed media art, when I was scrolling to Pinterest and all, so that was very much catchy. Okay, they were using all the things that were not even in a use. You don't even think that is that you can use it. Okay, so all
yes.
those things were, they used to make kind of flowers. I tried multiple times, and yeah, that's how I started all that.
Oh wow, I've never tried mixed media. Like I'm planning to, but not now at least. So on your first post, you have written a caption, "Purity and love." Purity and love is scrapbook. So what do you like to say about it? Like your first scrapbook and how was the experience? Like first order, first scrapbook. How?
Okay, that wasn't actually a first order. So that was for my
Okay.
friend, which I made it. So he's a guy and he wanted to gift it to his girlfriend. Okay. And he do not want the theme to be red, to be frank. Okay. He's not into that red color. Okay.
Yes.
So, and he
Okay.
wanted some kind of love and pleasant colors. So I was like, okay, what should I make without red? Then I thought, okay, let me just pull up some roses. Then I was crafting few things, and then I used this tissue paper Fevicol to get that texture of sculpture painting. Okay, so that
Yes.
is how I created that purity and love. Then I thought the caption that I've written to the purity and love, I still remember that the love themes need not be read always. Okay, that's how I got to know it was from him. Okay, so
Yes.
that's how my love scrapbook was,
Mm.
and
Wow.
I had a good response for it. People were coming back. Even now, people come back asking for that scrapbook, but that took a lot of time. So I
Yes.
was like, no. Mm.
Okay. So how did you get an idea to begin We Craft 16? Like how? What is the main motive about the name and also the whole concept of starting it?
Okay, so as I told you, when I first started this page, I was not in an intention to start a business like this. Okay, the craft
Yes.
or whatever.
Yes.
Okay. So I used to make certain kind of things when my friends asked, okay, so they want this, they want that. One day, so likewise, they asked me, why don't you just start and start selling
Yes.
your books? And I wasn't sure of a name. What should I give? I do not want to name it as Yamini Handmaids or Yamini Craft or whatever. With my name,
Yes.
I do not want.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
so
know
I
it.
want
Yeah.
professional. And I also had a partner who was into investing here. Okay, not into crafting. So
Okay.
then okay, let it be We Craft. Okay, so I just named it in that way. And
Acha.
16 I put because I didn't get any other. The We Craft is already taken. Okay, so then I thought, okay, let me put the number.
Okay, yeah, yeah. So you've been making these boxes with the miniature on it, like a handmade miniature. So they are wonderful. Like I really loved it. Superb, superb, like super ekdam. So how is your experience? Like from where do you got the idea of making something like that?
All right, so this is something very special to be talk about because I am basically on the crafters community. I'm known for making this miniature boxes. Okay, so
Yes,
people
yes.
come up telling that these are something very exclusive. Okay, and okay, so the very first box that I made was a cafe. Okay, that was a very tiny cafe. I used some kind of cardboards and I made it. That was because there was one customer who was never interested in scrapbooks. The person do not want any kind of photo collages or nothing. Okay, they
Okay,
want something very special. Okay, some kind of memory that she shared with me that I have to put it in a craft work.
okay,
Then I was thinking, okay, what do I craft now? I do not have an option to craft a scrapbook. I do not have an option to craft something like a photo frame. Nothing. So I thought, then I came up with an idea of not explosion box also. She do not even want an explosion box. She do not want to put her there.
okay.
So I thought she want her memory inside one kind of box. Okay, then I thought, okay, let me craft this, and that idea really worked. Okay, there were a lot many people coming back asking me, okay, I want this kind of, this is my memory, I want this. So that's how I have built the story boxes.
I want to buy from you. Like, I really want it to be that special. It is super idea, like super. I can't make it, but I'm telling you now, it will take a really hard work. I know. Even what time lagta rahega, days, and I don't know how much hard work it is, but it looks wonderful. Like, I really want to buy it. Definitely, I'm buying it from you once.
Thank you so much. That means a lot. Yeah, it takes
Like,
about, a week to craft one because I have to think of, I basically craft these based on one story. Okay, so if
okay.
somebody shares with me, like they have first met here, they have first met there, or they are going to do this in future, this is what they wanted to be like. I, capture all those ideas and I try to make all those things in miniature inside one box. Okay, so
Yes.
that is how the story boxes, and it takes a lot of time, to be frank, almost a week to craft one story box. And yeah.
Yes. Okay. Wow. So you've been selected recently for DMC brand awareness, or I don't know the term. So how is your experience like? How is working with them been to you?
This, I have to mention it very specially because Trust My Craft is one very big brand in India. Okay, you
Yes.
get
Yes.
every, not even one single piece of craft they will make. Okay,
Yes.
to
Yes.
be part of one
Absolutely.
such privilege. Okay,
Yes.
and if you're a big, let me say, if suppose if somebody is a beginner and they do not have much of idea about what product they have to choose for their kind of
Yes.
project,
Yes.
if you just log on to the crafters corner, believe me, you have everything, you don't even regret. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
so being
Everything is there on their website.
everything, like literally, and the quality that they maintain is the very foremost thing. The quality of papers, if you see, even if you bend, the print won't be, the gone. Okay, you don't see that white kind of texture
Yes.
when the
Yes.
paper,
Yes.
that is the super quality that they maintain. And I have learned many things from Shalini, who is a owner of Dress My Craft. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
so very down to earth person, and she was teaching me lot many things about the product. Okay, so being part of that is really a very good privilege and I'm very happy for it.
Wow. Wow. Wonderful. And congratulations for getting selected. Like
Thank you so
super.
much. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. At the last, I want to ask, how was your experience and what lessons you have learned, and what you would like to share with the fellow crafters about your journey, and something like some tips and trick kind of thing you would love to share.
Okay, so the very first thing that I would like to share is never underestimate your work. Okay,
Yes,
whatever you
yes,
craft,
definitely.
passion, believe me, people will love it for core. Okay, love it to the
Yes,
core. Okay, you just have to make sure that you do things with your own heart. Okay, with your soul. But whatever you do, just make sure you do it at the level best you can. Okay,
yes,
so that is
yes,
how you learn. And never compare with others. Okay, I, when I was starting this page, I used to compare with others. Why do they have 12K followers? Why don't I have many followers even if I'm crafting different things? Okay, so
yes,
no, it is never about the number of followers. Okay, you have to be
never.
your own competitor. Okay, you have to improve yourself from the
Yes,
past things that you have learned. This is
yes,
what I learned from experience. Okay, you should be unique. Okay, you shouldn't copy the things from others. It is basically your activity, your brain, your soul, your heart into your work. That is what I
exactly,
believe.
exactly. Super, super. It was very great talking to you. This Q&A session was amazing. So yeah,
Thanks a lot. I really enjoyed.
okay. So we'll move to the product show. Like, can you show us a product which you have recently made or you have it with you, like anything like that? So
I have one product that I have shipped it yesterday, but I do not want to because I just wanted to show. Okay,
yeah, yeah,
so
sure.
and this is the one that I crafted recently. Okay,
Wow, this is
so
beautiful.
yeah, so I really make sure that it is very neat. Okay, the
Yes,
finishing. Okay, so I don't like to miss even a copy. That is the
yes,
plan thing.
yes.
Is it completely visible?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's completely visible.
So this is again a storyboard that is created
Oh,
for Raksha
wow.
Bandhan. Okay, so this is how it looks,
Wow.
and that's basically I had this is something new again. I have collaborated two. Okay, so basically I used
True
to do only
stories.
one. Since
Yes.
this was something special, I made it this way. And here, if you can see, there are two, persons. Okay, and that's like a brother and sister. Okay, so I have written some kind of quotes, and here the tiny kind of
Uh,
fightings that brother and
Jamin, it's
do.
not visible. Can you? Okay. Yes. Yes. Perfect. Yeah.
Okay, visible now.
Yeah. Yeah. It's visible.
Okay, so here this is a theme related to brother and sister that I made for Raksha Bandhan, and
Okay.
this what does it basically show is how we have some kind of fights, right? So the sister is asking for a sketch, and the brother is like, okay, first you make pasta, and then I'll get a sketch from you. Okay, then
Okay.
I'll make a
Wow.
sketch.
Wow. Yeah. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. The miniatures you have made it on your own, full everything.
Craft everything from scratch. I make these things out of clay. This is with paper, and this with foam
Okay.
board,
Wow. Wow.
basically.
This is. Oh my God. It's amazing. I'm amazed. Like looking at your. It's amazing. It's super. Can we move to the rapid fire round now? It is much more fun.
Okay, okay.
So first
Yeah, yeah,
most
sure.
question, who's your favorite crafter?
Lavanya Handmaids. She's one of
Wow.
the best, crafters that I have ever seen. She's superb. Okay, her work, especially I have to mention something very unique about her because her works are repeated. Okay, I do not say her work is unique. Her works are
Yes.
repeated. You have to show that uniqueness in the repeated work is something very hard. So
Yeah.
she's wow.
Yeah. Wow.
I really
Wonderful.
wow. I have new
Okay.
techniques that I have. Yeah.
Okay. So top three brands you've been using in crafting.
Top three brands. One is Dress My Craft. Okay,
Yes.
so that the second brand that I use is Paper Pad. Okay,
Okay.
and that is I usually get the print papers from them. And
Okay.
third brand I recently have come across is Art by Maheen. Okay, Maheen. Okay,
Yes.
so that
Oh yeah. She
oh
has this
wow,
amazing die cuts and all. I know. I know. I've been using her.
yeah,
Yeah. So it's
and mostly
amazing.
papers for because my art is something different and I have to get that. Yeah.
Yeah, I totally get it. Yes. So yeah, we'll rate the crafters according to their work, like how beautiful the
Okay.
page is. Okay, so first is
Okay.
Handfly. Second one is
Okay.
Kajal's creation. Third is Pepper Inch by Sona. Fourth is Ahir creation. Fifth is
Okay.
Pink's Craft Gallery, and sixth is Mumbai Craft.
So I'll just tell you the way I just have written it. Okay. So
Okay,
first is education. Okay.
okay,
So the second is Pink's Craft Gallery. The
okay,
third is Paper Inch by Sona. And
okay,
fourth, you would rate Kajal's creation. Okay. And fifth one is Handfly. Okay. So fifth is
okay,
Handfly. And sixth is Mumbai Craft.
okay. Perfect. No problem. Yeah. So your favorite crafting tool?
Hey, I just lost you. Yeah. My
Okay.
favorite
No.
crafting tool,
Yes.
paper trimmer, board. These are the only things that I use. I have to mention specially about Fevikwik gel. Okay, I know this comes under glue, but believe me, that is the only thing that I use in all my crafts, and you can see my fingers everywhere. It is Fevikwik all
Okay.
around. So that
Okay, okay, fine, no worries. So that is new. I have never heard about Fevikwik gel. So yeah.
Yeah, Fevikwik is different from Fevikwik gel. Fevikwik gel
Okay.
is something very wow. Okay, and everybody has to purchase it. Make sure, okay, this has to be in a caption. Believe me,
Yeah,
you will
yeah.
love it. It sticks to your finger, it will hurt you, but believe me, that sticks super nice. Okay, more than I love it more than hot glue gun. Okay.
Yeah, okay. So now the hot glue gun is more harmful nowadays now.
Yeah,
Arrange it
correct.
accordingly.
Mhm.
First is scrapbook. Second is explosion
Correct.
box. Third is the miniature box
Mhm.
you're creating. Fourth is mixed media.
Mhm.
So yeah, four. That's
Okay,
arrange.
okay, the very first one is a story box. Okay, the miniature
Yes.
one. The second
Yeah.
is scrapbook, and third
Okay.
is mixed media explosion box, because I have never made explosion boxes, and I don't know, for some reason I'm not much into it. This is how. Yeah.
Okay. Tell me one of your friend crafter. Like you have to one or two any so like buddy. You can say you can share everything with that person particularly. So who is like that
Okay.
to you?
Yeah, I have somebody called Purple Haze. Okay, so she's Harita. Her name is Harita. She's one of
Okay.
the very good person that I've ever met on Instagram. She comes back, she says everything is very good. Okay, this is one person. The second one is Eva. Okay, she owns a page called Eva's Gift Stationery, and she's
Okay.
a very down to earth person, and I really love her. Yeah, these
So
two
this
are one
two
of
are
those.
buddies. Okay. So wow, this was wonderful. We are finally done with the rapid fire. So
Oh
yeah.
my god, thanks a lot.
Okay. So thank you for coming on my show and making this, sharing your journey and making this wonderful. I really loved it, talking to you. It was a great time. As from our side, we are sending you a hamper as a token of our love. So can you show it to the audience? Like, and
Yes, Kashmira. Yeah, and I really loved this session with you, Kashmira, and I'm very, very happy about it. And this is
thank
my very
you.
first, have never even come live till date. This is the very first thing, this is the very first interaction. Okay, and thanks
Yes,
a lot for this opportunity. And secondly, and
thank
thanks
you.
a lot for the gratitude hamper. And I'm sorry I've eaten away all the chocolates that you have given me. Okay, she
No,
has sent
no.
me, but still placed the cover inside. So if you can see, chocolates are empty. And believe me, she has sent me so many chocolates, and I really loved it. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. And the second is this very cute, okay, mini scrapbook that I have got. Okay, and before that, look at this decoration. This is so cute. Okay, and I just loved it. I have
thank,
never done this to scrapbook when I have packed it. Okay, and thanks a lot for that. I loved it.
thank you.
And see, I really care about finishing, and
Yes,
your finishing is up to the mark. Believe me. See the way
thank
you
you.
have wrapped it. Okay, I really these things really matter for me. Okay, see the
Yes,
ends. Okay, have taken care of it. How you really packed it. Oh my God, this is very nice. Thank you so
thank
much
you.
for
Thank
this.
you. Thank you.
Yeah, and this is how it is.
Yes, you
And
can stick your
I really
photos.
loved this. Okay, this. Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you.
Thank you so much. And I have a couple of things that I have inside. I'm still waiting. Okay,
Yes, yes.
and yeah, I really love the paper also. And I do not know what is this pink one you have pasted. I've never come
It's
across this one.
it's vellum shades.
Cute, this two cute magnets. Okay, so one has this crafting couch with retrieve wraps. Okay, retrieve wrap.
Yes,
This is okay, and the other one is stop missing, start gifting. Okay, I really
yes.
love this caption too.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, and I also have this. Okay, where I place that? Where I have to, that kind of that small thing. Okay, where I have to do
Media
a
back. Yes,
signature.
yes, yes, yes.
The very beautiful things that you get from a handmade crafter is these kind of gestures. Believe me, just imagine how much love this is not no need at all, right? But then
Yes.
these tiny gestures is what really matter. Thanks a lot, Kashmira, and I'm in love with this box.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming. Again, I'm saying thank you. It was a great time, super great. We got to know more about you and your experience are wonderful. Trust me.
Thanks a lot, Kashmira, and that's really amazing talking to you. And you as a person is really, really very sweet. And
Thank
may
you.
you grow more Okay, and I am very, glad to be part of your channel launch. Okay, and all the very, very, very best. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and also there's a notification bell icon beside the subscribe button. You can press it and you will get notified every time we post a new video. Thank you so much.